So for today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to make a heart in Illustrator, just like the image right here. So I'm just gonna open a new Canva. Here's the code for the color, this one for the background, and the red for the heart. First of all, just click on the rectangle tool right here. Draw a big rectangle, not too big, not too small. Just adjust it like this one. Looks perfectly fine to me. Then select the direct selection tool right here and select only the top part. Only these two dots should be up here. If you select the whole and then you round it, you're gonna look like this one, right? It's not good. So make sure you select only the top part, only these two up here. Then round it right here till the maximum. If you're using the newest version, you're gonna see the red lines. After select the direction tool again, you click on V right here. Rotate it to 45 degrees. Just hold shift and then rotate. Then click on Alt till you see those two icons right here, the small arrows, and then drag it to the right. You can hold shift to go on the horizontal line, as you can see right here. Then rotate this one to the right, hold shift again and rotate like this. Now you need to adjust it till you find it nice. So I'm gonna do this one. And then select the whole subject, so just drag it right here, select the whole, click on the shape builder tool, or you can click on shift plus M, click on this one, hold alt and use the mouse wheel to zoom in. So once zoom in, click on alt, as you can see the minus icon right here, click on alt and delete the extra part. Now if you check it out, it's gonna look like this one, perfect heart. Take the shape builder tool again and then add all three of them. It become one single shape, as you can see right here. So if you want to add this little highlight right here, just zoom in, take the pen tool, put the fill to none and the stroke to white. So I'm just gonna click curve right here, click on enter to delete, to end the path, sorry. And then I'm gonna increase the stroke. When you increase the stroke, click on the stroke panel right here, and you're gonna find the cap, put it round, as you can see. I'm gonna zoom out. It depends, you can change this one to any shape you want, to any size you want. Then you want to add a shadow right here in the middle to make it look good. So select the rectangle tool, then put it half on the image, put the fill to black and the stroke to none. Then again go to the selection tool, select it, select the whole image, take the shape builder tool again, click on alt and delete the extra part. Then select only the black one, the half one, as you can see. Make the opacity to 10%, or you can do it as you want, put it 10%, so become a shadow, the heart. That's it guys. So if you like today's tutorial, make sure to subscribe to my channel, leave a like and comment down below if anything you want me to do, and I will try my best to make it for you. Thank you guys, see you next time.